Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Sheets credentials. In the Google Cloud Platform, a project is a collection of settings, credentials, and metadata about the application you're working on that makes use of the Google APIs. The Google Cloud Platform is where you manage certain project tasks such as generating API credentials, enabling APIs, etc. The Boomi Google Sheets connector creates entries in the Google Sheet you created. Before using the Google Sheets connector, you must use the Google Cloud Platform to create a project, enable the Google Sheets and Google Drive APIs, set up OAuth credentials, and generate the client ID and secret that you will use in the Google Sheets connection. First, log into your Google Cloud Platform, then perform the following. First, select an existing project if one already exists, or create a new project. After creation, follow the on-screen prompts. Second, enable both the Google Sheets API and Google Drive API for your project. Third, create OAuth client ID credentials for your project. Follow the on-screen prompts and ensure you provide information for all required fields. You do not have to specify scope. However, ensure that you add the associated user with the project and for which the client ID and client secret was generated. Otherwise, you may receive an error when attempting to generate the access token for the Google Sheets connection. For application name, enter any appropriate name for your application. For example, Boomi Test Project. For authorized domains, add boomi.com and verify that you have added the domain. Application type, select Web Application. For name, enter a unique name for the OAuth client ID. Authorized JavaScript origins, enter https://platform.boomi.com as a URL. For the authorized redirect URLs, enter https://platform.boomi.com/account/your account ID/OAuth2/callback. Be sure to include your valid account ID, which you can find in integration by selecting Setup in the Account menu and then clicking the Account Information tab. The Google Cloud Platform will display your client ID and client secret. Copy those credentials as you would need to provide them when creating the Google Sheets connection. After completing these steps, you will have successfully set up the Google Sheets credentials, created a project, enabled both the Google Sheets and Google Drive APIs, set up your OAuth credentials, and generated your client ID and secret that you will use in the Google Sheets connection. Thank you for watching.